Okay, so today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 3, and name of the chapter is about operating system. Students, open your book, chapter number 3, operating system. So everyone is ready with their book? Okay, so let's start. First of all, what is operating system? The low-level software that supports a computer basic function and task. So आपको सबको ये पता है कि we are having windows in our system. We are working in Windows, right? So those windows are called operating system. So window is an example of operating system. जैसे कि आप फोन ऑपरेट करते हो, फोन में क्या होता है, एंड्रॉइड होता है, तो वो एंड्रॉइड क्या है, एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बोलते हैं ना. एंड्रॉइड फोन है मम्मा के पास, पापा के पास, इट मीन्स उसमें फोन में कौन सा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, एंड्रॉइड. इसी तरह किसी भी फोन को, लैपटॉप को चलाने के लिए we require different kinds of operating system. Okay, next, GUI. What is the meaning of GUI? GUI stand for graphical user interface. means जिसमें आपको सब दिखता है, आप बस क्लिक करके अपना काम कर सकते हो. जैसे कि विंडो में आपको पता नहीं कि हाँ आपको वर्ड खोलना है, तो आप वर्ड लिखते हो, आपको वर्ड दिखता है, आप एंटर करते हो, वर्ड की एप्लीकेशन खुल जाती है. So that is called GUI. GUI stand for graphical user interface. Next, DOS. DOS. DOS is stand for disk operating system. It is an operating system for single user. Next, we are having Windows. It is a computer operating system with a graphical user interface. So as I have told you, in this computer I am having operating system called Windows, and window having ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस मीन्स जिसमें आप देख के क्लिक करके कोई काम कर सकते हो, आपको कोई कमांड नहीं लिखनी पड़ती. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग सी. सी इज ए हाई लेवल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. नेक्स्ट, यूनिक्स. इट इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम to be written in high level programming language. So if someone will ask, like, tell me the first operating system, so name of the first operating system is Unix. Next, Linux, a GUI based operating system. And last we are having source code. Source code is the original code that a programmer writes before it change into machine. means आप जो भी कंप्यूटर में लिखते हो, कोई भी प्रोग्राम लिखते हो, that thing is called source code. Okay, नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग प्रीरिक्विजिट्स. मीन्स इससे पहले हमारे पास क्या क्या होना चाहिए, कंप्यूटर सिस्टम होना चाहिए, एक आईडी होनी चाहिए और एक इंटरनेट कनेक्शन होना चाहिए. सो अगर आप ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट करोगे, सो व्हाट विल बी द लर्निंग आउटकम. इस चैप्टर से आप क्या सीखोगे. सो इन दिस चैप्टर यू विल लर्न, आफ्टर completion of this chapter, students will be able to understand operating system and know about different type of operating system. So in this chapter we will learn what is the meaning of operating system and how many types of operating system we are having. Next, warm up activity. So this is very interesting activity we are having. Okay, operating system, input device, output device and pen drive. Now I have given you one example of operating system. Now tell me in this picture which one is the operating system. Write in chat box everyone fast. Yes, tell me students. So we are having 4 pictures here. Okay. So I will give them number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to tell me which one is a perfect match for operating system. Write your answer in chat box fast everyone. In this activity you have to tell me operating system will match here with which number? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Everyone is saying 2. No. Purvi, very good. So this one is a perfect match with this because this is an picture or icon of Windows operating system. So whenever you open your system, see if you are able to see this thing. Here on the very left corner, here. Okay. So this corner, this side, this one is an icon of window. Okay. So this window icon is known as operating system. Okay. So that's why answer is this one. Is it clear to all of you? Arav Chaudhary, why you are laughing? Okay, so next we are having input device. Now, who will tell me the correct one for this input device? Rakshita, no? Okay, I will tell you this is printer. Okay, and this one is pen drive. And this one is mouse. Now tell me, which one is the input device? Very good, Purvi. So, mouse is a input device. Mouse से आप क्या करते हो? Input देते हो. That's why mouse is an input device. Okay? Is it clear to everyone? Very good, Karthik. Very good, Arohi. Very good. Okay, so next we are having output device. Output device में जिससे आप output लेते हो, तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे दो ही ऑप्शन है, प्रिंटर एंड पेन ड्राइव. तो आउटपुट आप किससे लेते हो? वेरी गुड पूर्वी, वेरी गुड दक्ष. सो हम प्रिंटर से क्या लेते हैं? आउटपुट लेते हैं. मीन्स आपने कोई डॉक्यूमेंट बनाया और आपको अगर आपको उसका प्रिंट लेना है, इट मीन्स आपको कुछ आउटपुट लेनी है आपके कंप्यूटर से. फॉर दैट वी आर हैविंग printer. So printer is an output device. Is it clear to everyone? So last we are having pen drive, and I have told you this is a symbol of pen drive. So here answer is 2. So is everyone have marked their warm up activity? Should we continue? Okay, very good. Okay, so we will continue. So next is introduction. Okay, you know that both hardware and software work together and a computer cannot work without any of them. Means अगर आप किसी कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रहे हो या फिर किसी फोन पे काम कर रहे हो, for operating we required hardware as well as software. Without hardware or without software you will not be able to do anything on your computer or on your phone. तो जब भी आप कंप्यूटर यूज करते हो, we are requiring both things, hardware as well as software. Priyanka, page number is 39. 39. ओके, सो हमें कंप्यूटर पे काम करने के लिए हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर दोनों की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. नेक्स्ट, you also know that software is of two type and we are having software two type. It can be application software or it can be system software. Okay, so we can having, so in any computer, hardware and software both are required. Okay, and we are having two type of software. It can be, one second beta, it can be application software or it can be system software. Okay, is it clear? So next, you know that software is of two types, system or application. In this lesson, you will learn about operating system, which is a type of system software. Okay, so software के हमारे पास दो type होते हैं. It can be system software, it can be application software. But in this chapter, we will learn about system software. तो operating system हमारा क्या है? एक example है system software का. Now let's start. What is operating system? Now you know that computer hardware cannot work without software. It is the operating system that tells the hardware what to do and how to do. An operating system, system, also called as OS, is a type of system software that manages all the computer hardware and software. So without software or without hardware, computer will do anything, will not be able to do anything. So if you are having hardware but without software, you will not be able to pass instruction कि hardware को क्या काम करना है. तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर जिससे हम इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं अपने हार्डवेयर को, that basic software is known as operating system, and we can also call that OS. Okay, so OS stand for operating system. Remind this thing, OS stands for operating system, and this is an example of system software. Okay, Bhavna is saying tell again. Yes Bhavna, what I need to tell again? Which topic, which point? Operating system is a system software, okay, which is necessary to pass any instruction to the hardware. मीन्स जैसे स्कूल में या क्लास में एक टीचर होता है ना जो बच्चों को बताता है कि क्या काम है. अगर क्लास में टीचर नहीं होगा तो बच्चे कैसे स्टडी करेंगे. सो आई एम हियर टू टेल यू लाइक व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, व्हाट यू नीड टू राइट, व्हाट यू नीड टू लर्न. In the same way, in case of hardware and software, software is a teacher or you can say software is an instructor जो hardware को guide करता है कि कौन सा काम कैसे करना है. Is it clear? So operating system is there which helps the computer hardware like what kind of work that computer hardware has to perform. Next, operating system is present in almost all computer. Okay, it start working as soon as you turn on the computer and works until shutdown. Example of operating system are Microsoft Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, Apple Mac OS, etc. Operating system is the first software which start working when you turn on the computer. So whenever you turn on your computer, your software start working until you shut down your computer. जैसे ही आप अपने कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हो, आपका जो सॉफ्टवेयर है, आपका जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, उसकी प्रोसेसिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है. और कब तक स्टार्ट रहती है? जब तक आप शट डाउन नहीं कर देते. ओके, रक्षा इज सेइंग मी मैम प्लीज टेल शो व्हाट वर्क मीन्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन रक्षा? Okay, so next we are having fill in the blanks. So dash is collection of program that manages hardware and software resources. So answer for this is operating system. So operating system is a collection of program that manages hardware and software. Okay. So next, need of operating system. So we will cover this topic in our next class. Okay. So today what you have to learn? You have to read page number